Dusty and SandStorm here. Stay tuned.
Huh? Hey, good to see you, SandStorm.
Sarge, you're okay!
Hey, it's only in the Navy that you go down with your ship. I jumped clear. But the range vipers must have seen the explosion. Now they'll know our position. My swagger stick! Thanks! Good boy! We've got
No sense in letting them have what's in my pack either.
Put those back! Those cats could feed a hungry range viper for a month! And as for that coyote...
You touch that coyote and you're lizard meat. Dusty and SandStorm here. Stay tuned. I don't like those snakes any better than you, SandStorm. Well, SandStorm, are you ready for action?
With Dusty and SandStorm to go!
Read you loud and clear, SandStorm. One hurricane dead ahead. If I didn't know those missiles were totally harmless, I could get pretty worried about this.
Hey, GI Joe, over here!
Watch your language, android. Now where'd they go?
What's the matter, Dusthead? Can't you drive?
All right, enough is enough. SandStorm, let's get out of here. Come on, boy. Those flames were real. Which makes me think this whole simulation is fake. Captain Kremov. Come in. Come in, Captain Kremov. This is Dusty calling.
This is the life. While those android guards watch my vehicle, I catch rays.
Lowlight, I can't reach Captain Kremov. What's going on with you?
Nothing good, I can tell you that.
Big Ben, do you read me?
Loud and clear.
Then read this. This whole battle world setup is a covert trap. I think the others are already prisoners, but SandStorm and I are climbing towards the castle, and we're still free.
But that's only because you haven't met my pet scorpion.
Steady, SandStorm. That scorpion looks even nastier than his desert scorpion friend.
Very true, Dusty. Very true.
Great work, SandStorm, but what do I do now? You mean, drop him? Well, okay. Great idea. Jump on, SandStorm. The only way out is up. Big Ben, sci-fi, we're over here.
And so, Budget Committee concludes that defeat is not cost-effective, no matter how much money is saved. GI Joe is therefore restored to full financing.
Which means that SandStorm is back on sirloin steak every day this week.
Now that's what I call a jolly good show.
Dusty and SandStorm here. Stay tuned.
I really